Animal lovers in India gathered in northern Noida city to participate in the pet show Petgala, where dogs of various breeds including Labrador, Golden Retriever, Dobermann and Bug walked the ramp on February 20. While 400 dogs walked in to participate in the event, 280 cats took part in feline championship. Visitors, which included children, were excited to attend the pet show and spend quality time with the dogs and the cats.
We are here at the Petgala for the first time, and my champion boy has already won 3 prizes. We had an amazing time. It's a good weekend getaway with your pet where you can enjoy fun activities and spend some quality time with your pet and make them socialize with other pets as well. Since mine was very antisocial, coming here really helped. He's gotten along with dogs and people.